You never think you'll need a dash cam until you do. From unexpected road incidents to parking lot mishaps, having reliable video footage can make all the difference. But with so many models available, it can be tough to know which one truly fits your needs. So in this video, I'll be going over the top 5 best dash cam options on the market right now. Whether you're after crystal clear 4K recording, full 360-degree coverage, or a dependable budget option, there's something on this list for you. And to make things even easier, we've included the product links in the description, so be sure to check them out. Let's get started. Number 5 is the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. This is the best budget option on our list. Looking for a dash cam that does the job without taking over your windshield or your wallet? The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 earns its spot as our best budget option for being tiny, reliable, and smartly designed. Compared to other budget models that often compromise on clarity or usability, this one punches above its weight with crisp 1080p video, a 140-degree wide-angle lens, and automatic recording that kicks in the moment something happens. What really stands out is the built-in Clarity Polarizer lens. It cuts through windshield glare so you can clearly see details like license plates or traffic lights, even in bright or low-light conditions. Whether it's for daily commutes or keeping an eye on your parked car, the compact size means it fits stealthily behind your rearview mirror. It's there when you need it and invisible when you don't. A user described it as key-sized, and it really is. Small enough to forget it's there, but smart enough to catch a fender bender from start to finish. Plus, the voice commands and seamless app integration make it a breeze to control and review footage. It doesn't come with a rear cam, but many users pair it with a second mini unit for full coverage and still stay under the price of most LTE-enabled competitors. For the price, performance, and peace of mind, the Mini 3 is a compact powerhouse that just works. Thumbs up for this model. Number 4 is the Rove R2-4K Pro dash cam, best for 4K video. If crystal clear video is your top priority, the Rove R2-4K Pro dash cam is the one to beat. It's our best pick for 4K video. What really sets this model apart is its Ultra HD 2160p recording at 30 frames per second, offering incredibly sharp visuals that capture fine details like license plates, road signs, and even faces, day or night. Compared to many standard dash cams that max out at 1080p, the R2-4K Pro delivers a noticeable bump in clarity, especially on larger monitors. Whether you're driving through the city, commuting to work, or exploring off-road trails, this dash cam captures detailed footage in crisp 4K resolution, helping preserve important visual evidence in case of accidents, unexpected events, or insurance claims. Aside from video quality, it's loaded with extras, built-in GPS, a 150-degree wide-angle lens, and support for up to 512 gigabyte storage. One thing I really appreciate about Rove as a brand is their easy-to-use app and excellent user documentation. It's clear they prioritize user experience. Navigation is button-based, no finicky touchscreen, and setup is smooth. Some users noted the snapshot function isn't perfect, but the core features more than make up for it. With rave reviews on image quality, reliability, and value, the Rove R2-4K Pro stands out as a powerful, well-rounded dash cam you'll be glad to have on your side. Thumbs up for the Rove R2-4K Pro. Number 3 is the Vantrue N4 Pro, best multi-view. When it comes to capturing every angle of your drive, the Vantrue N4 Pro earns its best multi-view title without question. What truly sets it apart is its triple-channel coverage, front, inside, and rear, all recording in crisp 4K and 1080p simultaneously. That's not just impressive on paper. It means more eyes on the road and more protection in every direction, whether you're a rideshare driver or just commuting. One of its standout features is the Plate Pix technology, which enhances license plate clarity even in low light. This detail matters, especially when you need clear evidence after an incident, and it's something many dash cams struggle with in challenging lighting. Another win is the dual-band Wi-Fi and over-the-air updates via the Vantrue app make video access and firmware upgrades seamless. This setup is ideal for anyone who wants a reliable system without wrestling with tech. Now, one concern might be the higher price tag, but with premium 3-channel recording, AI-enhanced clarity, and excellent customer support, it's a justified investment for serious users. Bonus features like voice control and buffered motion detection parking mode round out the package, offering hands-free operation and 24/7 protection. Simply put, the N4 Pro brings professional-grade multi-view recording into your daily drive, and users love its durability, image clarity, and intuitive setup. Nice one! Number 2 is the Vantrue E360 Cam, best for 360-degree view. If you want total visibility around your car, front, back, and inside, the Vantrue E360 easily earns its spot as the best for 360-degree coverage. What stood out immediately is its ultra-wide lens setup, 210 degrees front and rear and 165 degrees interior. This gives you seamless 2.7K footage from all directions, capturing blind spots and critical moments with crystal clarity. Add to that its dual Starvis 2 sensors with HDR and 8 infrared LEDs. Whether it's day, night, or low-light conditions, the image quality remains sharp and dependable, giving you peace of mind in every drive. Users especially love the panoramic view modes. These aren't just gimmicks. They let you monitor more of your surroundings without repositioning, which is incredibly useful in tight urban spaces or rideshare settings. Another cool feature is the doubles as a handheld action camera. So if you're into travel, hiking, or capturing events on the go, this dash cam adapts beyond the car. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi and dual GPS system make video sharing and driving data tracking fast and easy, all through the Vantrue app. Small extras like voice control, 24/7 parking mode, and support for up to 512 gigabytes of storage rounded out. In short, if you want wide coverage, top-tier night vision, and extra versatility, this dash cam nails it. And users agree it's worth every penny. We like this one a lot. Number 1 is the Viofo A229 Pro 4K dash cam. This is the best overall today. If you're looking for the most complete dash cam setup, the Viofo A229 Pro is our top overall pick, and it's easy to see why. At the heart of this model is its dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors, delivering 4K resolution in the front and 2K in the rear, meaning crystal clear video that captures license plates and small details with ease, day or night. Users consistently mention how this setup makes a huge difference in both daylight and nighttime driving. While many cams struggle with nighttime glare or motion blur, the A229 Pro uses HDR and wide dynamic range to keep footage sharp and balanced, even at high speeds. Users' love is the 24/7 parking mode with buffering. It records 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after motion is detected. It also has loop recording and G-sensor lock, keeping your key moments safe without maxing out the memory. Voice control and clear audio notifications make hands-free use simple and intuitive. Compared to typical dash cams, the A229 Pro packs more flexibility and smarter safety features, including a quad-mode GPS system that accurately logs speed, location, and routes. For a powerful mix of image quality, smart features, and ease of use, the A229 Pro delivers, making it one of the most trusted choices for drivers who want full coverage and zero compromises. Highly recommended. Let me know in the comments which dash cam is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.